What's up, everybody? It's time for the stream, I guess. I don't know how loud or quiet the music is, so I'm gonna kind of fix it. Hopefully that's at a standable volume. All right, everybody, welcome to the live stream. For those who are new, some of y'all may be new, not sure. There's probably a decent amount, low amount, whatever amount. I'm working on the Chuck E. Cheese roleplay update. The map revamp. Total revamp. It's awesome. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Now, those of you who come from the game itself, because I advertise this on the game, if any of you come from that, you might notice this is not exactly Chuck E. Cheese's. You would be correct. This is Chester Cheese's. Now, you might have a question. Why? Why is it not Chuck E. Cheese? Well, the simplest answer that I can come up with, I guess, is that I felt like it, you know? Chester, I think it's just more original. And it's the same fun as Chuck E. Cheese, it's just without Chuck E. Cheese. So, like, Chuck E. Cheese doesn't get mad at me. You know? Alright. I don't know why that's glitching. Anyway, let's walk into the building. Now, this is the new map. This is an awesome new map. Even though Chucky might be gone, this new map will make up for it. Look at this. Let me show you some of the new things that we have. We have these token refills. So now you don't spawn with just 1,000 right off the bat. You actually have to refill tokens. There's a daily reward system that I'm getting in as well. So if you don't have Robux, which some of y'all might not, that's exactly okay. That is okay. You'll still be able to get tokens to play all the amazing games here at Chester Cheese's. And, you know, y'all might be gaming at Chester Cheese's and be like, man, I wish I had something to eat that wasn't pizza. Well, you're in luck, because we have a brand new food and drink thing. Look at this. So now you can get all of this food and stuff for free. For totally free. You can eat pizza. You can drink Boxy Cola. Look at that. Now that's awesome. I think that is cool. Not only, look at prizes and gifts. You can get prizes now. Isn't that cool? Let's buy a fidget spinner. Now that is awesome. You have not been able to get prizes in the past at Chuck E. Cheese Roleplay. And now you are. With Chester Cheese. Walking around the arcade, we have brand new games. We have a ball pit. Look at the ball pit. Oh. I'm braking. Braking real quick. Braking again real quick. Here's the sky tubes that are currently in the game. Now, you'll notice about these, you actually get sized down in these, so you can actually walk around with no issues. I know in the current Chuck E. Cheese roleplay there are some issues, but in these ones, trust me, there are no issues at all. And then when you go down, you get into the ball pit. And that's awesome. And you know, all the games, so same fun. We got 2 tickets. Whoop-de-doo. The games are just as fun, if not funner. Oh. Whoop-de-doo. We got a lot of new games here. A lot of new games. Here's the pizza pickup. Now, ideally, y'all will be able to make pizzas. Here's a sneak peek of the kitchen. Put on the employee uniform. You can select your job role. Here's the freezer, which is not done yet. Here's pizza prep. Pizza making system, when it happens, is going to be cool. You can go behind the counter. You can sit here like What's good? Welcome to Chester Cheeses. You can go into the prize storage room. Now the thumbnail and this might be misleading. There's not going to be a costume room Game Pass. Y'all still be able to get the costumes for free. I don't know what I was on when I made it, but you'll be able to get it for free. Don't you worry about that. Now, I know I've been kind of teasing y'all. I know what y'all actually care about, so don't be mistaken. Now, I'll go ahead and show it to y'all. What does the show look like? Before I do that, let's look at the restrooms real quick. Now, you might know in the current one, there are no restrooms. Oh no. Oh wow, there's a door here. Did somebody put something behind this door? It's literally just a poster. Okay. Here's the restrooms. I'm not going to go into the women's. Here's the men's restroom. Boy, oh boy. Isn't that awesome? Isn't it awesome that we finally have restrooms? Okay. Now I'll show you what you want to see. Let's look at the showroom. Look at this. Completely new animatronics. Completely new. Look at how cool they are. Look at how good they move. Don't they look awesome? They look awesome. So, let me tell y'all about the direction that the show is going to go in. My idea. Here's a ticket blaster, by the way. So, in the main game, some of y'all might know, we have an automatic show system now. The automatic show system basically lets the show work exactly like how it does in real life at a real life Chuck E. Cheese. Now, an issue with the game currently is people like to control shows really badly and people like to mix audio. That's not cool. Now, I want to keep the fun of controlling because some people aren't like that. And it would suck if I took away all that fun stuff and then the people that actually cared about controlling didn't get to do anything. So, how it's going to work is in the main game, there's going to be an automatic show system. So the Chester Cheese Band will just play songs automatically. So you'll still be able to see the band perform. But if you get a VIP server, you'll be able to control the Chester Band and all the songs and do everything like that. Now you might be asking, do I need Robux for the VIP server? I'm still thinking about that, but I'm probably going to make a VIP server free. You know, I don't want to take away stuff from people that don't have Robux, you know? I want to only make game passes that, like, are kind of just extras and not core gameplay fundamentals. So, don't quote me, but the VIP server will probably be free. So, those who don't have Robux won't have to worry about not being able to control a show. So you can still have the same fun. And in a VIP server, you can be all alone. So nobody's there to toy with it. And the show controls will be encased in an all-new show GUI. If you don't know what a GUI is, this roleplay name thing, this little white thing right here, that's a GUI. And basically, instead of having physical controls like this, it'll all be on your screen, and you can go anywhere in the restaurant, preferably probably right in front of the stage, and control the show there. Now, y'all might be wondering, who the heck are these new people? Well, I'll introduce all the characters to you now. First, we have Chester Cheese himself, looking as good as ever, looking as copyright free as ever. We got Susie Birdseed, Chester's female acquaintance. We got Big David. He is a living booger. I'm lagging for some reason. I usually don't lag. We got Paws McGraw. And we got Chef Marco. Now, the Chuck E. Cheese songs will probably stay. I'm probably going to keep the Chuck E. Cheese songs so you don't have to hear, like, just random stuff. So, don't worry about that. Somebody says they see the morph room. Now, morphs. Speaking of that, let me... okay, I'm currently colliding with everything and anything. Well, let's show off some of the morphs. Now, they are in development. I know Chester has a morph that's getting worked on. Here's Chester's, like, just character model. So you'll be able to walk around as this guy. And, let me show you all the other ones. Oh, there is an unanchored part right there. Ooh. Oop, they are totally unanchored. I will show y'all in studio. We have the heads for all the other characters. Now let me show y'all real quick. Hold up, I'm frozen at the moment. Pretty frozen. Alright, there we go. Look at this. Look at our new characters. Now, Paws has a hat. I don't know why the hat decided to just stop working. Let me... Oh, I see why it stopped working. Yeah, I see why it's not. Hold up. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, that's... Okay, well, hold up. Fix this. Paste in the original location. There we go. Now his hat will work. Anyway, here are the brand new mascot heads. Now, you might notice they're a little bit familiar. Little bit familiar. Tiny bit familiar. Anyway, here's Susie Birdseed's walk around. Here's Paw's walk around. And here's Big David. They look awesome. They look awesome. They look awesome and new. And y'all will be able to be these for free. Now, in terms of game passes, what I'm going to make game passes is exclusive exclusive outfits for these guys. So like you can do tuxedo, do all that, blah blah blah. Another cool thing with game passes is that you'll be able to edit the stage. So a planning game pass that I have is like you'll be able to change their outfits. Like you'll be able to like put them in a tuxedo or put them in something else, put them in blah blah blah. I might honestly probably gonna make a Chuck E. Cheese outfit game pass, so you can just make him Chucky and you can make everybody else the actual characters if you want to do that. The Ticket Blaster is going to be cool because, so you know some games they have like a spinning wheel that you can do daily and you know, get prizes from a spinning wheel. Well, what you'll be able to do here is you'll be able to get a daily blast and a Ticket Blaster. You'll be able to get a whole bunch of tickets. So on top of the daily reward that you'll have for your tokens, you'll have daily rewards on tickets. Awesome. Can you make the whole store Chuck E. Cheese? Maybe. Oh, here's something else that's cool. Here's something that's going to be a game pass. Let me show y'all. Load into the game real quick. Look at this. You'll be able to get cameras. That's cool. An unlimited ticket game pass sounds cool. You know, yeah, you might be onto something there. Maybe I'll add that. That's the first great suggestion I've had in a while, dude. Y'all have been dry with y'all's suggestions. That's a good suggestion. I didn't think of that. I'm totally faint to why I didn't think of that. There we go. Here's just some fun games. Let's see what we get. We're gonna get the jackpot, guys. 500, you know, practically the same number. We have all new skee ball. Works a lot better than the ones that are currently in the game. Look at that. There, it eventually went in. Here we go. That's okay. Alright, 5th time's a charm. Oh, yeah. I won. I basically won. And when you're done getting all your tickets, again, for those who might have not been here, you can go on over to the prize counter and redeem a prize. Let's buy a Chucky figure. I don't have enough tickets for a Chucky figure. Let's buy a Stress Chuck. Now that is what I call quality gameplay. What do we think, guys? Do we like it? Add the classic music that plays. I will add that. You know, I was thinking that in the back of my head. And I'm going to do that. That will happen. Now, guys, what do y'all want? What do y'all want to see in the game? I'm totally open to suggestions. You know, I want to make the game the best that it can possibly be. So I want to hear what y'all want. You know? I want to hear what y'all want to see. Will it be VR supported? I would like to do that. I am planning on VR support. Thank you, Rory. I totally don't know you. I need to think about what I'm going to work on today. What do we think? What do we think we should work on? What do we want to see worked on? What I do want to do, what I might start doing, is making the menu. Probably going to start making the menu. You know what, guys? I think we're going to start making the menu right now. And we'll make the menu real quick. Can you add Chester in the car ride? Yeah. We are going to add Chester in the car ride. I need to... You know what? We can probably do that now, if anything. We can probably do that now. Let's do that. Doop. Alright, now, in true car ride fashion, we need to get rid of all of his limbs that aren't the top of his body. Doop. Doop. And also in true car ride fashion, he's made out of entirely plastic, so let's get that worked out. Doop. Let's take away all these textures. He doesn't deserve any more textures. He deserves to be textureless. Here's something I mentioned in the previous stream, which some of y'all may not know. I work at Chuck E. Cheese. I am a genuine employee at a Chuck E. Cheese. I work at one. It's a 2.0, unfortunately, but I work at a Chuck E. Cheese. And I'm using some of my knowledge of Chuck E. Cheese by just working there to make this game, like, accurate and fun to play for people. That's, like, the big goal. Like, for it to be accurate and fun. Alright. I think we've gotten most of those textures taken care of. Let's just... Yep, we've gotten that taken care of. Now let's go to the material manager. Let's just change that guy to plastic. Alright. He is white. He should not be white. He needs to be gray. He is not an albino mouse. He is a mouse. Let's make this guy a little bit darker. There we go. Alright. Let's get this guy stationed on here. Fun fact about car rides and like the car ride statues. I almost bought a car ride statue once. I almost came into possession of a Chuck E. Cheese car ride statue. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get it, of course, which is why I'm saying I almost did. And, well, I guess what I didn't realize, I was younger when I tried to do that. I guess what I didn't realize is that shipping that was not exactly the most viable thing in the world. So imagine trying to get a, like, heckin'... Imagine trying to get, like, God, the thing is like 20 pounds at the lightest. It's probably about like 30 pounds. Imagine getting a 30-pound solid, like, ceramic, plastic statue. Imagine trying to get that from Florida to Texas. Now, if you guessed you probably can't do that, you would be correct. So, that statue has since disappeared off the face of the internet, and you know, I'm not exactly sure what happened to it. I can only hope that it's with somebody who loves it and who will treat it well. And that is probably where it went. It probably went to somebody who is a fan. Because I don't think there's much demand for Chuck E. Cheese car ride statues in just the general market. Let's pose this guy. I was about to pose it a different way, but y'all are weird, so I'm not going to pose it that way. There we go. That'll work. And, you know, at this point, I don't think I'll need to move this all that much. There we go. All right, there's Chester on the phone ride. Been on the phone ride. There it is. All right, now I need to figure out how to get Chester in here, which I think I know how to do. Oh, I once again forget to paste an original location. Dance all night, play all day. Don't do nothing, get in the way. Dance all night. All right, let's see if it works. Love this song. This is a great song. It's by The Cars. Love The Cars. This is off. No, it's not off their debut album. All right. As we can see, Chester is in 5 million pieces. That's not... It's not what I intended. Let's fix that. Let's make sure Chester is in more pieces than that. Let's make absolutely sure. Wait a minute. He wasn't even inside of the model. There we go. Okay, will it work now? Let's see if it'll work now. Can we see him through the window? He might be on there. All right. Hello, sir. You have a decapitated torso on you. That's okay. No issue. Dealt with worse. Alright. As we can see, the car is moving. Who is not moving? That's right. Our good friend Chester Cheese. Let's diagnose this issue. Now, I'm pretty sure I know how to fix it. Actually not pretty sure. I know how to fix it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I'll show y'all. Let me fix this. I need to ungroup. For some reason, 18 million things and more are grouped in Chester's body, which is not how I like it. They can't be grouped in this particular scenario. They need to be completely ungrouped. Alright, here we go. Oh no. I think I just selected half the workspace. I have totally just selected half the workspace, and now my thing is frozen. It seems that CEC Fan 1992 has predicted my every move, because that is exactly what I'm going to do. Well, now we're going to wait, because I can't use Studio. It's broken. This is awesome. This is awesome. Alright, so let me just do this. Alright guys, we're gonna fix this in a second. I am not playing Arsenal while we wait. This is not an Arsenal game amount of time. The thing crashed. There's no waiting. I have to get back into it now. So, let me give y'all the rundown on what happened. So, there's been a recent bug with Studio where I will try to select something in a model, and then Studio decides that it wants to select every single thing in the workspace. What that means is that Studio basically selects every single thing in the game. Now, that's not ideal. Let's see where I left off. Alright, we're in the same place we were before. Alright. Here we go. Now let's fix this thing. Alright. And let's take a weld. Weld that bad boy right there. And now. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm not showing y'all the thing. Wait, I forgot. That's not the right thing. Hold up, guys. Let's show y'all. Oh gosh.
YouTube Music is a music app made by YouTube, and it's your ticket to discover every subgenre
Hold up,
that's ever
guys.
existed. Like some Dominican dembo you didn't know was
Oh,
poppin'.
good lord.
Get YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Chuck E. Cheese.
Hold on, guys. Now it doesn't want to show y'all the thing. I think I know how to fix it.
And now, here he is, host with the most, Chuck E. Cheese.
Hey, thanks. Thanks a lot. I used to think maybe you love me.
Dude, no way.
Positive.
Okay, hold up.
I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. I think I hear you knocking right now. Now every time I go for the mailbox, gotta hold myself down.
Hold up.
I just can't wait till you're right here, you're coming around. Oh yeah, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa,
Ugh.
I'm walking on sunshine.
All right, here we are.
I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, and don't it feel good? Hey,
There we go.
alright,
That should work.
don't it feel good? I used to think
Now,
you love me, now I know that it's true. Yes, I do. And I don't wanna spend my whole
there we go. That's cool. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at him. Now that is awesome. Now let me, like, okay, let me. The thing is, I don't like having to do this entire window because like it shows y'all things that y'all shouldn't see. And by that I mean like, dude. It like, bro, no way. I can't believe it. I for real can't believe it. I for real can't believe it. It's broken already. It's broken already. That's crazy.
Thanks a lot. Welcome to my show, everyone. I'm glad you're here.
Tell you what, guys. I'm gonna restart the stream real quick. I'm gonna get everything fixed, and then we'll be smooth.